looking at what were the 4 pillars for the year to volunteerism, we have them up there. I would say, I would doubt that anyone in this room would disagree that on the aspect of recognition, a lot more needs to be done. Not so much on the side of ourselves, but on the side of those who really would need to provide the recognition that volunteerism deserves, and that to this day has only partially achieved. So a lot of work to be done on the side of enhancing the recognition of volunteerism in the media, among policymakers, in the public, and the recognition also that volunteerism is not a culturally determined context. It's not, as some stereotypes have it, an activity undertaken by adventure-seeking, young, white, well-intentioned people, but on the contrary, it is something that is inherent in every single human society. It may be called different names, it may be having different shapes and ways of expressing itself, but I have never encountered a culture, a society that does not have in some way an expression of the selfless commitment to a common good that isn't triggered only by individual expectations of benefit. On the facilitation side, a lot has been going on. Many countries have introduced legislation and set up structure to facilitate volunteerism, but there is no doubt that, again, here more needs to be done. Networking has been and continues to be a key parameter in the context of the volunteer movement. The fact that we are sitting here talking, discussing common approaches, challenges, issues, cooperation is a form of networking. Many others exist, and clearly the strength that our collective action can achieve is much more than what we would individually be able to attain. Promotion also continues to remain important in terms of encouraging ever larger number of individuals to engage voluntarily through the various channels that are open, whether nationally or internationally, and in the different forms that volunteerism can express itself. Therefore, the 4 pillars that were identified in the course of IYV 10 years ago continue to remain valid. What will happen in 2011? The General Assembly, being a UN entity, a UN expression in the UN context, indicated that UNV should continue to remain the focal point. We are both humbled and daunted by the responsibility, and therefore there is already now a call to all of you to please join us. Let's work together, because there is a tremendous opportunity ahead of us collectively that only collectively we can bring to bear.